Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm the Witchy Sister. Today I have an unboxing for you. This is the LunaLux Wolf and Thyme box. And if you watched my other video on the Wolf and Thyme box, you'll know that this is not a box I get every month, but I do enjoy their boxes. I think they're beautiful. I just like them for the theme. So all right, let's get into it. Happy mail, happy mail. That's kind of what I said when I got this. I was like, oh, it's a happy day. All right, black tissue paper, cute sticker. All right, the wolf is just so beautiful. I love wolves. Okay. Ooh. I like the way this looks on the back. That pattern is just beautiful. All right. Ooh, 2 of Wands. I got the 2 of Wands this time. And this is the Transcended soul. So, for the month of August. Greetings, my wolf pack. This month, our theme is Transcended Soul. For the LunaLux box, we will dive into an in-depth ritual to help you cut the cords that negatively impact your life, allowing you to rise up and release what no longer serves you. You will then manifest guidance through divination and help your soul transcend into a higher consciousness while staying grounded and at peace. So I apologize. I know I stumble a lot. I have a little bit of dyslexia. I say a little bit, but you guys can tell by my videos. So, Transcended Soul Cutting Cords Ritual. This is beautiful. This is so weird. I'm sorry. I have had the Phoenix on my brain lately, and I just painted one. So the fact that it's talking about the Phoenix just, wow. Okay. Blows my mind. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Holy cow. You guys. Look. Is it super clary? No, it looks okay, but oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. All right. Okay. Ooh, incense. Oh, this smells really good. It smells woody. Like, to me, it smells like walking in the forest almost. Like very wood. Fresh, very fresh. Okay. Oh, all right. Well, this looks like a spell oil or ritual oil, maybe. Transcended Soul Sacred Space Ritual Oil. Okay, I gotta smell it. Ooh, look. There's amethyst in here, and I don't know what that green piece of greenery is in there. It kind of looks like cedar, but I'm not sure. I want to smell this. Oh, yeah. It's like a camphor almost. It smells really good. And I love this bottle. It's beautiful. Very aesthetically pleasing. I love how it's clear and I can see what's really in there and that it's glass. And it's got a cute little dropper. I don't know. I'm weird about stuff. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, a copper bracelet. I have one of these and it's blue and it broke. So I felt like it served its purpose. So I needed another one. Thank you. That's gorgeous. I don't know what to pick up. There's so much in here. Oh, it's another bag of herbs. I don't want to pull it out. Let me see if I can get it for you guys. Oh, yeah, you guys can see. There you go. See? All the beautiful herbs in there. There's something down at the very bottom, though. Oh, there's like maybe some charms. Oh, it's a candle. It's a candle. So this is our ritual kit. Very cool. All right. Now it's, ooh, this is heavy. Heavy. What's this? Oh my gosh. That blue, like turquoise, is, wow. It's blowing my mind right now. I don't know what stone this is, but it is absolutely beautiful, and it's a very nice size palm stone, which I really, I have big hands, so that's what happens when you're 5'9". So I really like having a stone that I can grip like that. And it's just beautiful. It's just sparkling. Gorgeous. Whoops. This looks like a candle. Oh, I was wrong. It's not a candle. It looks like black salt. Ooh, what a cute tube. It looks like black salt and some herbs. I might be wrong though. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just saw something in there and I really want to grab it, but I want to see what's in here first. There we go. Oh my gosh! I mean, I guess I should have clued in when I saw the... Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. When I saw the card for it. Oh my... Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I have to paint a phoenix in my book of shadows and research it a little more, because like I said, this animal has been on my mind for at least a week now, and I'm not exactly sure why. I didn't see anything with a phoenix or anything, but oh, I wonder if it's Dreamscape Oracle, but I wonder if this is the Oracle deck that the card reading came from. All right, we're going to do a recap, but I'm going to open this first, and I want to look. This is beautiful. This is what it looks like on the back. And I love the gold foil. I'm really liking like the gold foil and stuff. And oh, nope, it's a different deck. Oh my gosh, the back of this is beautiful. It's got dragonflies. This beautiful design here for the border. Oh my gosh. Okay. They are for me, a nice size. They are not too flimsy. Oh, the sea turtle. How beautiful is he? Oh, it's just gorgeous. Okay. Let's shuffle and see. I usually cleanse things first, but I just like to try and shuffle a new deck when I get it. See how it feels. I really like the way this feels. Let's see some more. The scales. The path. Oh, balance. Okay, I'm not gonna go too much into this deck, but this deck is beautiful. The owl. I love owls. Especially barn owls. All right, so we have the beautiful Oracle deck, Dreamscape Oracle deck. We have the Ritual. We have the Phoenix Athame, our 2 incense sticks, black salt, gorgeous, 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 gorgeous copper bracelet. This beautiful stone, which I don't even know, you guys, like, is just absolutely beautiful. Make sure it's still in frame. Everything's kind of out of frame there, sorry. There we go. And the spell oil, our beautiful artwork, the Transended Soul Cutting Cords Ritual. All right. I don't think I'm missing anything. First thing up, the Phoenix Athame. Oh, God, this is just beautiful. Okay. You now have one of a kind Athame. Yay! That has been handcrafted just for this box. We designed it to be easy to travel with, light, copper toned, and beautiful. It has a handle in the form of a phoenix and our moon and time logo stamped on its base. Oh, right here. Okay, very cool. It represents protection, transformation, release, and channeling. You use your own special way of cleansing it, charging it, and making it your own. The included ritual uses it to cut cords, but you can use it as a wand and energy work to cast your circle to assist you in your practice or however you choose. Oh, I love it. The Transcended Soul Ritual Oil, Sacred Spaces. In your included ritual, this handmade oil is also used and comes to you from a small woman owned company named Sacred Spaces, which, if you know and you watch my channel, I love Sacred Space. Great. Oh, but this is a different company. My bad. I'm sorry. Still awesome. I'll have to go check out their website. They have made it with intention and included clarity, sage, lavender, bergamot, and corresponding herbs. I was wrong on all of it. It has a base of coconut oil, houses, amethyst, crystal chips to enhance its property. You can visit their beautiful shop at www.sacredspaceli.com. Right there. All right. Transcended Soul Cutting Ritual page. All the elements for this powerful ritual are in your box. So it can be performed as soon as you need it. It encompasses the act of cutting negative energy cords in your life, healing your chakra and your aura, and giving gratitude to your spirit guides for helping you. It is a practice in shadow work, but also in mending the past and letting your soul move on to transcend. Herbal Black Salt Vial. This guy. I have created a special black salt for you to use that will help you in protection and manifestation. The base is black Hawaiian rock salt with black cohosh root, probably said that wrong, and whole cornflower buds. These herbs bring strength, psychic ability, happiness, and love. Transcended Soul Ritual Pouch. In your black burlap bag are other elements you need for your ritual. It contains a piece of black kyanite. Use caution when handling. It is delicate and can shard. Ooh. Cedar chips, cedar tips, not chips. Witch hazel, calendula flower, amazonite chips, and a tea light candle. All of these items combined help open the door for a communication, protect you, bring you harmony, and help assist in cutting cords and sealing your aura. My oracle card. Oh no, this one. I'm sorry. Ethereal Visions Illuminated Tarot card. I got Dreamscape Oracle card. Your tarot card was picked just for you by Spirit and has a special message for you. Whether it is medicine or encouragement, they both bring positive change. It's definitely talking about this. Okay. Positive change to your life. I choose to accompany your oracle deck with the matching tarot. There we go. So they can work together in harmony. Bring it into your meditation ritual, place it on your altar or in your grimoire or journal to reflect upon its meaning to you. Very cool. Okay, that's why I was confused. Tibetan pure copper beaded bracelet. The soul can become weary, which also affects the body. This pure polished copper bracelet is known to help support your joint health and ease pain. It is said to help boost your immune system, slow aging, calm stress, and balance your hormones. Spiritually, it is known to be a conductor of energy, transferring vibrations from the psychic realm to a spiritual one. It helps with channeling and communicating with higher beings, cleanses your aura, mind, and helps you receive messages. It helps protect you from negative energy while keeping your positive vibrations high, promote confidence, and boost manifestation. It is easily adjusted for comfort around the wrist. Pull at the tassel. Okay. The premium apatite? Palm stone. The element is wind, chakra is third eye, focus is psychic activation and access to knowledge. Hold the palm stone in your hand and feel its energy as it rests there. The apatite you have is a premium grade specimen with crystal pieces in it, blue, green, and gold. It activates your third eye chakra and brings you stimulating inner visions and enhanced psychic abilities. It supports you in retrieving past life information and help you connect with those patterns to this life. It brings you hope and can be used as a dream stone to bring you into the subconscious mind to give you creative solutions to your challenges and uplifts your spirit. It is wonderful crystal to meditate with prior to any divination work and can assist you in your quest to know your own spirit, your inner spirit more. You are valuable. You have a great purpose. You are loved. It is time to transcend and touch your higher self. From your magical soul to yours, Cat. And then next month is Autumn Abundance. I love this box. I love one-of-kind items. I I love how everything goes together. Sometimes I get a little confused. Sometimes I stumble over my words. I know it's a little crazy over on my channel sometimes, but hey, it's me. I'm real. I'm human. I make mistakes. All right. If you liked this box, let me know. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about it. If you're new here, welcome. Think about liking this video, maybe subscribing and hitting that notification bell. I know there's a lot new subscribers lately, and I appreciate that. I appreciate every single one of you. And so until next time, blessed be.